Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the specific Gmail account so you're working in the right mailbox. Once signed in, focus on the left-hand menu. Click More to reveal hidden folders and select Bin. You're doing this now because deleted emails land here first. Make sure you check the list to confirm which messages you want gone. If you see previews, decide immediately which threads are safe to permanently delete versus those you may want to restore before continuing. Once in the bin, use the top checkbox to select all messages on the current page or click individual checkboxes for precise control. After selecting, click Delete Forever to remove items permanently. Do this only when you're sure, because recovery is not possible. If you need to remove large volumes, first apply search filters like from sender or before, yi/mm/dd to narrow results, then select and delete. This approach saves time and reduces accidental permanent deletion. After you delete visible items, make sure you cycle through additional bin pages or run a search to catch any remaining messages, then repeat the permanent delete step. If deleted items show up again, sign out and clear your browser cache, then sign back in to force a fresh sync. This resolves most display inconsistencies. For the Gmail mobile app, open Bin and use Clear Now or Delete individually, and if sync lags, pull to refresh or toggle airplane mode briefly to prompt a sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.